Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. The Yaksha king, rich in material goods, found the door of liberation, increasing all beings' stores of blessings and virtues, and causing them to always feel blissful. The Yaksha king, power to smash high mountains, found the door of liberation, producing the light of wisdom and power of the Buddhas whenever called to mind. At that time, the great Yaksha king, learned, imbued with the power of the Buddha, looked over all the assembly of Yakshas and said in verse, "The evils of sentient beings are extremely fearsome. They do not see the Buddha for hundreds, thousands of eons. Drifting through life and death, they suffer myriad pains. To rescue them, the Buddhas appear in the world." The Buddha saves and protects all worlds, appearing before all sentient beings to put a stop to the pains of transmigration in fearsome realms. Independent sound enters this gate of teaching. Sentient beings' evil deeds create multiple barriers. The Buddha demonstrates sublime principles to break through them. While lighting up the world with a bright lamp, this truth weapon-bearer can see. The Buddha cultivated practices over oceans of eons past, praising all the Buddhas in the 10 directions. Therefore, he has a lofty, far-reaching fame. This is what is understood by wisdom. His wisdom is like space, unbounded. His reality body is immense, inconceivable. Therefore, he appears in all 10 directions. Flaming eyes can observe this. Intoning the wondrous sound in all realms of being, he expounds the truth to benefit the living. Wherever his voice reaches, all pains vanish. Delving into this technique is adamant eye. All profound, vast meanings the Buddha can expound in one phrase. Thus the principles of the teaching are equal to the worlds. This is the realization of courageous wisdom. All sentient beings are on false paths. Buddha shows them the right path, inconceivable, causing all worlds to be vessels of truth. This brave general can understand. All virtuous activities in the world come from the Buddha's light. The ocean of Buddha's wisdom is immeasurable. Such is the liberation of materially rich.